Good day students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to maths class. I am your teacher Ludwina Aslam. Today our topic is division, unit 1 numbers and arithmetic operation, multiplication, page 17 and 18. Student, we have learnt in class 3 to divide 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. We use division in daily life. It is repeated subtraction. For example, 10 divided by 2. Students, can you find 1 in 2's table? No, 1 is less than 2. So we take other digit, make it 10. Can we find 10 in 2's table? Yes, we can find 10 in 2's table. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 2 5s are 10. Write it here 10. Now subtract minus. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Another example, 96 divided by 8. Can you find 9 in 8's table? No, we cannot find 9 in 8's table. So we can find the nearest number of 9. 8 multiplied by 1 is equal 8. 8 ones are 8. Now minus 9 minus 8 is equal 1. 1 is less than 8, so we take another number. 6 comes down, make 16. Student, we can find 16 in 8's table. Can we find it? Yes, 8 multiplied by 2, 8 2s are 16, 8 multiplied by 2 is equal 16. 16 minus 16, 6 minus 6 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Another example, can we find 32 in 4's table? Yes, we can find 32 in 4's table. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal 32. 4 multiplied by 8. 4 8s are 32. Write it here 32 and now minus it. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Special words used for the different parts of a division. Student, today we learn about the special words of division. Quotient. This is dividend. Divisor. This number is called divisor. And this is remainder. Quotient, dividend, remainder, and this is divisor. Another example, divide 975 by 15. First you can write the 15 tables, draw a rough work, a rough column. In right hand side in your copy, write the 15's timetable. Then you can solve the division sums easily. Remember students, you can learn also tables to solve the sums, addition, subtraction, division, all. Yes, 15. Can you find the 9 in 15's table? No, because 9 is less than divisor, less than 15. So we take another number. 15 multiplied by 6 is equal 90. So we take the nearest number of 97. 105 is a greater than, so, and 75 is smaller than. Nearest number is 90. We take 15 multiplied by 6 is equal 90. We take 90, write it here, write 90 and subtract from right hand side. 7 minus 0 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. So next, in 15's table, can we find the 7? No, 7 is less than 15. So we take another number. Next is 5. 5 comes down, make 75. We can find the 75 in 15's table. Can we find it? Yes. 15 multiplied by 5 is equal 75. So 15 5s are 75. 75, write it here. And minus 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. So remainder is 0. 65 is quotient. 975 is dividend. 15 is divisor and 0 is remainder. Is it clear? Another example of division sum. Divide 6744 by 12. Again write it 12's table in your copy. From right hand side, make a rough column and then you can learn the table of 12. We take 6. Can we find the 12's table in 6? No, we cannot find 6 because 6 is less than 12. So take other digit, make 67. Can we find 67 in 12's table? Look at here. No. And what is the nearest number? Which is the nearest number of 67, sorry. Yes, 12 multiplied by 5 is equal 60. It's mean 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. Write it here 60 and minus it. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now again we can find only 7 is here. 7 is less than 12. So we take other digit. Yes, 4. 4 comes down here. Make 74. Can we find the 74 in 12's table? 74, no. Nearest number, which is the nearest number? Yes, 72. 12 multiplied by 6 is equal 72. 12 6 72. Write 72 here. And now minus it. 4 minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 7 is 0. 2 is less than 12. So we take next digit is 4. 4 comes down. Make 24, becomes 24. Can we find that 24 in 12's table? Come on, look at here. Yes, we can find 12 multiplied by 2 is equal 24. 12 2s are 24. So 12 2s are 24. write it here 24 and subtract it, minus it. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 2. So students, 562 is quotient, 6744 is dividend, 12 is divisor, and 0 is remainder. Okay, is it clear? Use in your home task. Do exercise 1.1, question 1, 1 till 6 on page 18. Do question number 2, 1 till 6 on page 1. Students, note down. Do all the homework given to you from the first lesson till the present one in your maths copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework and activities. Thank you students. Stay home, save lives.